Hey, welcome back to the channel. We got a new project for the channel. It's a WJ 2004, I think it is. It is not the ideal Grand Cherokee with the straight 640. It's got that 4.7 and it's all-wheel drive. But we got a good deal on the Grand Cherokee. It's missing the exhaust, wicked loud. Has a dead battery. A bunch of other issues, but we'll pull it in the garage and address that exhaust issue first. Maybe we'll take it out in the woods and test the limits of the stock Cherokee. Check out this busted headlight. There's a little bit of water in there and busted plastic. So it's like a plastic aquarium going on here. So we're definitely gonna have to replace the headlights on the WJ. Well, we got some exhaust pieces to put on that new WJ. The best part, it was free. Check it out. Some exhaust and a muffler. All right, we're back from my dad's boneyard at the shop. Took the XL Performance muffler. And we're gonna replace the old one. You know, do the little delete. And put it in the WJ. We got the XL Performance muffler mocked up. Now we just need to put a little piece of pipe in there, and then that pipe will cut up, put in that gap, and then we gotta get a spot from this hack job here to the outlet. So let's cut some pipe. Makes you wonder how when pieces fall off a vehicle, how does that live in there? How does that live in that coil spring? I mean, like, how? Weird. Man, check this welder out. The button gets hit just enough where it wants to push all the wire out. Ew. Well, this isn't looking too bad for a $500 beater. No tube bender or tube stretcher to go over the exhaust like you're supposed to, you know. But for us, on the beater WJ, they'll be good enough. Well, we got the exhaust completed. Now it's time to see what it sounds like. Well, what do you guys think? I think it has a perfect idle sound, and when you rev it up, it gets rowdy a little. So I think that XL performance muffler is just the ticket for this budget WJ. I did go under here while I was running, and we do have a leak on top of that pipe there on this side, and then there's a little leak back there. So we'll get the welder back out and I will patch those little leaks quick, throw the wheels and tires back on, and I say we go find a trail to hit to test out this stock V8 Jeep. That's a wrap on this video. I hope you enjoyed the cheap and almost free mods that we did to the $500 WJ. We added some paint to the wheels, did the exhaust, and now we have a more presentable 4x4 toy. And you guys at home can do the same thing. Go pick up a cheap 4x4, throw some paint at it, fix some parts up, add some sweet exhaust, and go have fun with it. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned to the channel, because we're gonna take this Grand Cherokee out in the woods and see what the stock 4x4 Cherokee can do. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time.